CP523 Notice, how to pay. First of all, what's a CP523 Notice? A CP523 Notice is a formal notice to you that the IRS intends to terminate your installment agreement. It could be for a variety of reasons. The most common one is that you didn't pay the additional federal tax that you owe. Okay, so when you set up an installment agreement, that you're agreeing to not just pay this amount every month to be so you enter into a resolution with the IRS, and the IRS doesn't start levying you. That's the point of getting to an installment agreement. It's not just to pay that monthly amount, but you also agree to other things like for filing future taxes on time, paying future taxes on time, and if you don't do that, the IRS may send you a notice that they intend to terminate your installment agreement. Now, sometimes if you don't owe a lot for like next year's taxes, say, and the IRS deems your current monthly payment sufficient enough to cover both the original tax and that new tax, sometimes they'll just kind of accept it and group it in. But for the most part, right, if you owe any substantial amount whatsoever for a future year of tax, they'll send you the CP523 notice telling you that unless you pay, right, like in this case $2,100, then you're going to be they're going to terminate your installment agreement, and they could very well go ahead and levy you. And so that's where this individual's at. Happy Brilliant says, CP523 notice, how to pay. Hi all, I'm trying to pay my notice to keep my payment plan going. Smart move. But I have no idea what to choose for payment type. There is no option for balance due or anything. I keep trying to call them, but no one ever answers. Okay. Well, you got to figure out what year we're talking about. I'm assuming this happened because you just filed, it's May 2026 as I'm recording this. It's May 2nd. And I'm assuming that last month or, a little while ago, you filed your 2025 tax return, right? Because it was tax season. And you showed a balance due on that return. So I'm assuming this is for tax year 2025, okay? So what I would do is I would go to irs.gov/payments, okay? And you can pay for your bank account. There's also a credit card option here. Pay with your IRS account. Let's just do this one. So this takes you to direct pay with bank account. Pay individual tax right here. See that? I mean, it's clearly not a business person who made this, right? There are way too many clicks here in order to get you from I want to give you money to the actual screen where you can give them money, right? It's just the government. I love it, right? That's way too many clicks, but that's what you got to do. And then under pay personal taxes, click make a payment. All right, apply payment to 1040 income tax, right? If we're talking about personal income tax here. And I would say balance due, okay? Balance due. And then 2025. All right. Yes. Okay. And it's going to take you through verification thing. You have to put like information about your yourself, and the information you put down here. Okay, all this stuff. It's got to match the information that was reported on the tax return you input here, right, to verify you, that you're the actual person, okay? I'm not going to go through all that. The rest is fairly self-explanatory, but yeah, that's what we're talking about here. All right, folks, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for the question, by the way. Thanks so much for watching. I have a whole video about the CP523 notice. You can check out that video up here at the upper left-hand corner of the screen. I also have, I think, some other videos about the CP523 notice. You can check one of those out here at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Not a great notice to receive. It's a scary notice to receive, and I hope this all works out for you. Folks, if you owe the IRS or your state at least $10,000 of back taxes, you qualify for a free consultation with us here at Choice Tax Relief. Just give us a call, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-TAX. All right, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.